Welcome back to Beyond the Sprue. And firstly, a big thank you and a big shout out to everybody who's liked the videos and subscribed to the channel. It really is appreciated and really does help. Before we look at this week's new releases, here is the question. Which tank was known as the flying tank due to its airborne capabilities? Was it the Churchill tank, the M22, the Panzer IV, or the T-34? The answer, as always, is at the end. And please leave a note in the comments if you know its name. AK have announced a new IDF Power Wagon in 135 scale, coming with over 160 parts, photo etch, optional canvas top, high detail on the interior and the chassis, and decals for 5 painting options. Czech Master Kits are making a 60cm flag, which is coming as a detailed 3D printed kit, and it's unusually in 1/4/8 scale. Czech Master Kits are also making in 1/4/8 scale a Humber light reconnaissance car. It's coming with resin cast model, 3D printed parts, a threat of etches and decals, catering for just one British example. Mini Art Models are making a new 135 scale Iraqi T-55 tank. This is coming with photo etch parts, some clear plastic parts, individual tracks, metal surfaces and weld lines, and it is accurately represented in the model. There is a colour sheet for 2 options, and they have put up some rather tantalising pictures. Anyone making a Vietnam or Saigon diorama will thank Gecko, because they are making one of these Saigon shuttle motor tricycles. It comes with 2 models and a driver who is at rest. It comes in 135 scale and is a must for one of those dioramas, as they are everywhere. Gecko models look like they're really starting to carve a niche for the Vietnam series. In 135 scale, they're also making a US M76 amphibious cargo carrier, also coming with some photo etch parts. In 135 scale, Mini Art are making a US 1-ton cargo carrier called Ben-Hur. It comes with 4 options and 2 build-up schemes, and includes a photo etch option. Thunder Models released some images of their LRDG F30 wireless truck in 135 scale. You can have the lockers open or close, has a highly detailed 3D radio set, and if you get the May edition, you will get 2 bonus figures. Thunder Models have also announced that their 135 Heavy Wrecker Ward La France M1000 Series 2 is now in tooling, and you can look forward to a June and July release. It does look rather good, I must say. Gecko Models have announced a 1/16 scale of Princess Elizabeth and a dog. SSR Models have announced a 1/35 scale of some Swedish soldiers in M59 uniform. Another new figure in 1/16 scale from Gecko Models is the Desert Fox. Tech Models are producing in 1/48 scale an Ansaldo A1 Balilia. It comes with 3D printed parts developed by Armour Hobby and colour marking versions, which include Italian, Polish and Greek. Jet Model Aircraft Designs are making a very interesting 132 scale Republic F-84F Thunderstreak with a nuclear bomb and HVARs included. The kit comes with various options for the external fuel tanks and comes with 4 times HVARs. The price of the kit is $295 and is limited to just 500 pieces, but you can get a 20% discount if you do a pre-order. Kinetic Models have announced the 2-seater variant of their Starfighter, and it's coming with the Canadian versions this time. And that's coming in 1/48 scale. Croc Models are producing a CA4 in 1/72 scale. And Airfix have released some more images of the new tune of the Bristol Bulldog Mark II in 1/48 scale, coming in 3 different schemes and showing some nice detail on the model. Airtunes are releasing a brand new style of Tune style airplanes, and they say their models have a comical and fun air. This new P-51B Mustang is the Miss Dallas Captain Victor France version. Stay tuned for further updates. I am a dad, I make no apologies. Welsh models are releasing an ATR 42 and it's coming with Ryanair decals. Copper State models are now taking pre-orders on their 1/32 scale Cauldron G3 Late version in US and French service. Comes with good decals, 135 parts, a highly detailed Anzani 100 horsepower engine, 8 photo etched metal detail parts and a full rigging diagram. They're also taking pre-orders on their Cauldron G3 Anzani version as well. Could I ask a favor? If you could take a moment just to hit the like button please, or subscribe, that would be awesome too. Meng Models have announced they've got the license to make the Atreides Ornithopter in 1/72 scale from the film Dune. So which tank was known as the flying tank due to its airborne capabilities? Well, if you said it was M22, you would have been correct. As always, a big thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.